Hey fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to guide you through the simple process on how to use United Airlines miles, right? But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. All right, basically, United Airlines Mileage Plus offers several advantages to travelers like you and like me who frequently fly with United or its partner airlines. All right, so here are some of the benefits. You can redeem your United Airlines miles for free flights, which is one of the most common and valuable uses. The number of miles required for a flight redemption depends on the distance and fare class. All right, but it can significantly reduce your travel expenses. And also, it can be used for award travel, not only in United but also in on its Star Alliance partners, which includes airlines like Lufthansa, Singapore Airlines, and Air Canada. So it opens a wide range of destinations around the world, all right? And now, to be able to use your miles, you might want to go on your mobile device and open the United Airlines app, or just simply hover here at united.com. I am using Google Chrome right now, and but if you're using other browsers such as Safari, Opera, Firefox, and Brave, you might it's okay and log in with your credentials. All right. Say for example, we're going from New York to maybe going to Boston, maybe. Say for example to Boston, all right? You see there's option here for round trip, one way, and book with miles, all right? So if you have a already a member of the mileage plus program, right? You might want to click this option here, book with miles, all right? But if you don't have, you might want to check their mileage plus program. So buy miles and build your balance to redeem for more of what you love, right? So there's a lot of information here where you can check and read and understand. And simply, if you are interested in creating a mileage plus, all you gotta do is create an account here, right? Create and earn and redeem miles. Miles never expire. You will be asked for some of your personal data information right here. And once you've decided, you might want to go and continue, and you will receive an email confirmation to verify your identity. And once again, if you let's say if by any chance you already have the mileage account. So when you book a flight on the checkout section, you can use your mileage program um option. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.